We found a dead bird in the nest. Really sad. My friend just showed me him. He just went through there. Right there. Really good. Hold it. Yeah. It was sad. My brother said he hit the nest of it, and then it knocked him out, and then killed him. Sad. My dog's just over there, just sitting, chilling. And this is not okay. You might have rabies or something. You may. That's sad. What is that? Is that a carrot? You can see it? It's right there. Is it a carrot? I don't know, but it's very sad. I also saw something while he was taking me. I think it's something weird. It has something yellow, like red in it. Right there. I don't want to get close to it. But it's over there, the dead bird. Make it closer. Right there. Why'd you even kill it? Why'd you kill it?